We will tell you the 10 tips to fight inflation and become rich. The inflation in the United States is rising day by day, and thus you should take proper steps. For that, you must watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Examine your monthly budget. Creating a budget is something you should do if you do not already have one. In the event that you do have a budget, this serves as a reminder for you to go through it. Simply said, a budget is a strategy for how you will spend your money. If you do not have a strategy, it is simple to allow the cash that you have worked so hard to obtain slip through your fingers. Having a budget may assist you in making choices that are better informed and more in line with inflationary expectations as the cost of things continues to rise. While you are reviewing, you should seek ways to eliminate certain elements. You may be able to minimize the amount of money you spend on subscriptions or entertainment, despite the fact that there is probably little you can do regarding the cost of your mortgage or your rent. Number 2. Earnings from a variety of sources. It is essential to identify methods to reduce expenses and preserve money when inflation is high. Yet, it is also crucial to increase your income. Keeping up with escalating prices might be made easier by diversifying your income by taking on a part-time job or a side business in addition to your regular work. Furthermore, you have something to fall back on in the event that you are forced to implement layoffs. Make a list of the abilities you possess and think about if there is a possibility of beginning your next income-generating endeavor. Additionally, if you are a great content writer or if you like posting your collection of photographs, you may create your own blog using Squarespace. If you have spare space in your house, you might consider renting out a room on Airbnb. Subscribe to our channel and press the like button if you want to know more earning opportunities. Number 3. Reduce your debt with a high interest rate. The amount of money that is available to spend on everything, including the repayment of debt, has decreased as a result of inflation. A significant reduction in the amount of money spent on high-interest debt, such as credit cards, personal loans, and payday loans, may assist free up funds that can be used for other purposes. Consider moving your high-interest debt to a credit card that offers a balance transfer option of 0% if you have strong or exceptional credit. You may be able to save a significant amount of money on interest if you are able to pay off your debt before the end of the introductory rate, which typically lasts between 6 and 18 months. Before you agree to a balance transfer credit card, it is important to ensure that you have a complete understanding of the conditions, including whether or not there is a transfer charge or an annual fee involved. After you have paid off your debt with a high interest rate, you should make every effort to avoid taking on any further debt. Number 4. Consider getting a credit card that offers cash back. You may be able to make a little bit of additional money off of your normal spending with the aid of a cashback credit card, even if it is not going to erase the strain of inflation. Several cashback credit cards provide the potential to earn 1% or 2% on everyday expenditures, and 5% or more on specialist items such as travel, dining, or gasoline. These rewards may be earned on a variety of transactions. Before you apply for a credit card that offers cashback, you should have a strategy for how you want to utilize the card. Unless you are able to pay off your current credit card in full every month, you should not acquire another credit card. It is not the right time to take on extra debt at this moment. You should look for a credit card that does not charge an annual fee and provides cashback on purchases that are considered to be in your best interest. For example, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card has no annual fee and provides a cashback bonus of 5% on purchases made while traveling. Additionally, the card gives a cashback bonus of 3% on purchases made at supermarkets, restaurants, takeout, and delivery services that are qualified. You also have the opportunity to earn 1.5% cashback on any other purchases you make. There is also the possibility of earning an additional 1.5% on everything you purchase, on up to $20,000 spent in the first year, which may be worth up to $300 in cashback incentives. This includes a credit of 6.5% on travel expenditures made via Chase Travel SM, a credit of 4.5% on dining and pharmacy purchases, and a credit of 3% on all other transactions. Number 5. Establish a savings account that offers a high payout. Because of inflation, if you are not generating interest on your savings, you are losing money. This is happening because of inflation. One kind of savings account is known as a high-yield savings account, HYSA, which is a type of savings account that provides a greater rate of return than the typical savings account. The fact that online banks do not have to pay the high overhead expenses that conventional banks do allows them to often offer interest rates that are even more favorable than those offered by traditional banks. Your short to medium-term funds, such as your emergency fund, are an excellent choice for storage in a health savings account. Number 6. Create a food plan for yourself. The reason you may feel as if you are unable to afford to feed yourself is because the cost of food is increasing at an alarming rate. The results of the Economic Research Service of the United States Department of Agriculture indicate that the costs of food have increased by 11.3% since January 2022. In order to save money on groceries without having to give up snacks or a complete dinner, you should begin planning your meals now. Putting together a calendar of what you are going to consume throughout the next week or month is an essential part of meal planning. After that, you go from store to store in accordance with your strategy or even particular recipes. By doing so, you may make certain that you just buy the things that you want to get use of. It may prevent things that aren't required from being added to your shopping basket, which in turn can reduce the amount of food that is wasted. Utilizing a credit card for the purpose of food shopping is an additional approach that you might use. Number 7. Perform a number of rounds of errands. When you consider the cost of petrol, it is possible that commuting or doing many errands in a week may become rather costly. Make an effort to do all of your errands in a single trip by batching them. This will allow you to avoid the hassle of going back and forth to the store every time you need anything. Similar considerations apply whether you use public transportation or make use of a ride-sharing service. The more errands you are able to do in a single trip, the more money you will be able to save. Number 8. Make an investment in TIPS. There is a government security known as Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, TIPS, that is meant to assist in protecting you against inflation. One of the characteristics that distinguishes TIPS from other types of government securities is that the initial investment is not fixed. Inflation, as measured by the Consumer Price Index, CPI, may cause it to fluctuate back and forth during the year. You are eligible to receive larger income benefits in the event that inflation surges. The phrase TIPS might be expressed in terms of 5, 10, or 30 years. The perk is that you never run the danger of losing your initial principal investment, since you will either get the greater adjusted principal or the original value when the opportunity comes to maturity. Number 9. Have a conversation with a financial counselor. Make an appointment with a financial advisor if you are worried about the impact that inflation is having on your finances, or if you would need assistance in developing a budget for your money. You may meet both your short-term and long-term objectives with the assistance of a financial advisor who can work with you to develop a specific strategy for how to save and invest your money. The no-cost questionnaire offered by Smart Asset may assist you in finding up to 3 different financial advisors to work with. You will be linked with a financial advisor who will email or call you once you have completed a brief survey about your preferences about financial planning and the objectives you want to achieve financially. Now subscribe to our channel and watch the video appearing on the left side to know how you could earn more money apart from your main source of income. This video is really beneficial, so you must watch it. Thanks.